In today's video, I will walk you through how to add XY scatter chart in PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint presentation and select the slide where you want the chart to appear. Go to the Insert tab and click Chart. In the Insert Chart window, select XY scatter from the left panel. Then choose a scatter chart style such as markers, smooth lines, or straight lines. Click OK to insert the chart. An Excel style sheet will open for data entry. Enter your data in pairs, placing X values in column A and Y values in column B, making sure each row contains one complete X and Y pair. After entering your data, close the sheet and the chart will update automatically on your slide. To customize the chart, select it and go to the Chart Design tab. From here, you can change the chart type, add a chart title, insert axis labels, and adjust colors to match your slide. Next, go to the Format tab to adjust marker size and shape, add trend lines, and enable grid lines to improve readability and display patterns clearly. Thank you for watching the video.